Okay, in this question we're asked to construct triangle A, B, D. Alright, so we're constructing triangle A, B, D. We're told that BD, which is one of the sides, is equal to 7 centimeters. We're told that angle ABD, which is angle B, is equal to angle what? Angle ADB, which is angle what? D, and they're both equal to what? 60 degrees. So what we're being asked to do is that we're being asked to what? Construct a triangle, and what we're given is what? One side and what? And two angles. Alright, I generally like to do a little sketch just to get some idea as to what my triangle might look like. Alright, in the first place, somebody who's very smart, this is what is the BD, would observe that what? If B is equal to 60 and D is equal to 60, what the probably will observe, if this is 60 and this is 60, well, the only other logical conclusion is that what? Angle A is also equal to 60. And therefore, ABD is an isosceles triangle. Alright, but let's construct the triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. Now, if it's an isosceles triangle, it simply means that all three sides are equal. So this is 7, this is also 7, and this is also what? 7. Alright, so let's construct. So in essence, given this information is almost the equivalent of being given the fact that what? Given what? Given the fact that all three sides are equal, because it must be an isosceles triangle. And all sides are equal to what? 7 centimeters. Alright, let's construct this triangle. Let's construct BD. So first we start by drawing a line longer than 7 centimeters. At the left end, we identify our point at B. Then we open our compass to what? 7 centimeters. So ensure that we get that accurately. Alright. Now since it's an isosceles triangle, I'm going to put make B the center and scribe. So the point that I just identified is the point D. This is the point D. Alright, now all the sides are 7, and the radius of the compass is already open to a radius of 7. So I just simply what? Put it at D and I scribe. Then I put it using what? Without shifting, put at B and I also what? Scribe. Ladies and gentlemen, where those two arcs intersect, this must be the point what? A. Now, what you'll notice is that I just what? Constructed this what? Triangle without actually having what? Constructed in a 60-degree angle. Why? Simply because I know that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So let's construct. Alright, so there I have my what? Triangle. Alright, next I'm asked to what? Construct AX, which is perpendicular bisector to BD, and which bisects BD at X. Alright, and no need to construct what? Perpendicular what? Bisector to BD, which intersects BD at X. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, to construct this perpendicular bisector, what I actually need to do is construct what? Construct a line that is perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to AD from an external point A. In this case, it will work. Anyway, alright, let me change my mind and do it the other way, because I know students. Alright, let's construct the perpendicular bisector. Open it to more than what? Half. Open the compass to a radius of more than half BD. Scribe an arc above and below using B as center. Then without shifting the compass, you move the compass over to what? D, and then scribe two arcs above and below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this line that we're going to draw through these two arcs should also pass through the point what? A. If it didn't, there's something wrong with the construction. Alright, fine. Now, so we're asked about construct this what? Perpendicular bisector. Construct perpendicular, construct AX, which is a perpendicular bisector to BD, and which intersects BD at X. So this is my point X. It's perpendicular to BD, and where it meets BD, that is the point X. Now we're asked to what? Complete the quadrilateral ABCD such that AC is equal to 2 times AX. Alright, so AC is equal to 2 times AX. Alright, so this is AX. In a sense, what we need to know is identify the point C. This is AX. Alright. Now, it means that from A to X is the same distance as from X towards C, because AC is equal to 2 times AX. I'll say that again. The distance from A to X is the same distance as from X to C, because AC is equal to 2 times AX. Now let's identify this, the point C. Open the compass to a radius AX, and then what? Using what? X as the center, I scribe my arc. Ladies and gentlemen, where that arc cuts the perpendicular bisector, that is the point C. Alright, we're asked to complete the quadrilateral, so let's complete it by joining what? B to C. And by joining what? C to D. Alright, so that's what my quadrilateral look like. It looks like a kite, a nice kite. I don't think it's a kite though, but it looks like one. We're to measure and write down the length of AC. Alright, so let's measure AC. Alright, my AC is about what? 12.3. Alright, so AC is equal to what? 12.3 centimeters. Alright, what next? We're to what? Name the type of quadrilateral you have drawn. Alright. Now, ladies and gentlemen, again, in this situation, we have what? We have AX and what? XC being what? Equal. And AC being the perpendicular bisector of BD. So what we have is that the two diagonals of this figure, the two diagonals, what is a diagonal? A line drawn from one side of the figure to the other side and passing through the figure. So these two diagonals were bisecting each other at right angles. They're bisecting each other at right angles. And we already state that the only two quadrilaterals that have the only two quadrilaterals with the diagonals bisecting each other at right angle are the square and the rhombus. Alright, obviously this angle here being greater than what? 90 degrees. Obviously disqualifies this from being a what? A square. So ladies and gentlemen, it means that what? A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Alright, that's it.